Vice President Leni Robredo said it was very unpresidential for President Duterte to say this to her.
When you start your campaign kung magtakbo ka ng presidente, waswasan kita ng husto. Well, this is your nightmare.
In the video, Duterte was giving Robredo a warning should she run for president in 2022.
That's very unpresidential. Pero karapatan niya naman sabihin kung ano yung dapat niyang sabihin. Pero siguraduhin niya lang na tama yung pinagbabasehan. And in this case, mali siya.
Duterte accused Robredo of initiating the hashtag Nasaan ang Pangulo during the onslaught of Typhoon Ulysses. He also accused her of grandstanding in the rescue operations in Cagayan Valley. As head of the Liberal Party, Robredo is touted as the opposition's potential 2022 presidential bet. According to Duterte, Robredo does not have what it takes to win as president.
Tagal niya na yung sinasabi niya wala akong alam, sinasabi niya hindi, kung ano-ano. Sa akin, ang dami ng tinatrabaho natin, yun pa ba yung asikasuhin natin? Pag sinabi mo wala akong ginagawa, karapatan mong sabihin yan. Hindi ko dedepensahan yung sarili ko kasi alam ko na yung tao alam na hindi yung totoo. Pero para sabihin mo na nagsabi ako na nasaan yung Pangulo, hindi yung totoo. Kasi never ko yung sinabi.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.